Hey, what's up everybody? This is Osama here, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you send review requests to WhatsApp using Go High Level. Now, this can be really beneficial for you because if you have a large database of customers who use WhatsApp, this will unlock so much possibilities for you. So let's talk about how you can leverage this feature. We will learn how to set this up in 3 different ways. So we're going to have a look at a single review request, and then we'll also see how we can use the bulk action as well as an automation. So let's jump into my screen right here. Now, of course, the first thing you need, which is a prerequisite for this, is that you need to have your WhatsApp connected, which you can check if you head over to settings right here. And then if you head over to WhatsApp right here, you need to have this service enabled and connected. And you also need to have a verified Meta business verification status, which means you need to have a verified number as well. So once you have fulfilled all of these, you can go ahead and start using this feature. And we will access this by going back right here. And then we're going to head over to reputation. And then we'll head straight over to settings. And from here, you have to select WhatsApp review requests. So once we select that, you'll see it will be off by default. So we'll first enable this right here, and then you will see it will unlock some options for us. So the first thing it asks us is that when do we send the message after the check-in? So once you do the check-in or send a review request, do you want to trigger it immediately, or you want to add a custom delay, like let's say 1 hour maybe? So that's up to you. And then it says until clicked, repeat this every. So you can also do a repetition. So if somebody does not click on this link to give you a review, you can also repeat it, or you can choose not to repeat it. Again, that depends on how you want to set this up. So once these settings are dialed in, I'm going to click on save here, and then we will open the WhatsApp template builder, where it will give you an option to modify the template. So you can see this is the default name that it gets. Then you can also choose to show the header. You can add in an image if you want to. So this is where you can add the logo for your business. I've just uploaded a dummy image here to show you how this will look like. So of course, if you have your brand logo here, it will remind the customers that this message is from your business. And then you can go ahead and modify the body text here. And again, you can also include the links. So we have the reputation review link here. Again, do not change this because this is what will send the review link, but you can modify the other ones, or you can add some more variables if you want to. Then you can also add a footer here, which will reflect right here. And then you can also choose to add a button, which is again optional. But for now, we're just going to keep it to the review link here. I'm just going to remove this from here. And then we'll go ahead and create this template. So once this template is created, you will see it right here. And again, I'm going to click on the save button right here. And then we'll head back to WhatsApp and templates and make sure that our template is approved. Once it is approved, we can go ahead and send it to our customers. So the first way to send this reputation request to WhatsApp is using the reputation tab here. So once we are under reputation, I'm going to click on send review request, which is also called a check-in. And here I'll select the customer's name. So once that pops up, I'll select that, and it will automatically pop in their phone and email. And then we're going to choose review request WhatsApp. And once we select that, we're going to click on send review request, and you will see that it will send that out in a few seconds. So you can see right here that it has sent the WhatsApp message successfully, and the customer can click on this link and leave a review. Then the second way to do this is if you head over to contacts right here, and if you have a database of people, let's say you have a list of your customers, you upload it to your contacts and Go High Level, and now you want to do a bulk action here. So what you will do is go ahead and select multiple contacts and then click on this WhatsApp bulk action. And from here, just select your review request template, and it will show you the template right here as well. And you can call it review campaign or something. And once you select that, it will basically send that to all the contacts that you have selected. So if you have a list of people that are on WhatsApp and you uploaded it, it is a great way to collect reviews from your existing customers. Then the last way to do this is through automation. So let's say you have a customer journey automation dialed in, you have a pipeline where somebody becomes a customer, so you can trigger a workflow based on that. So let's say if you have a pipeline, you can select that right here, that pipeline state changed, and then you can select your pipeline right here, and then select the stage, which could be customers, and then you can go ahead and click on save trigger. And then based off of this trigger, we can send a review request through WhatsApp. So we'll just search send review request here. This will pop up. And then from the review type, we just have to select WhatsApp. And then all we have to do is click on save action. If you want to customize the reputation settings, again, you can click here. It will open that in the new tab. But all you have to essentially do is save action here and then publish this workflow and save it. And anytime somebody becomes your customer, or maybe you want to add some custom triggers, you will be able to send review requests automatically on the WhatsApp channel. So this can be really cool. And this was the third and last way to accomplish this. Again, if you have a good database of people who are on WhatsApp, you should definitely try this and get more reviews. That way you can scale your business and rank better on Google.